Hello.
Your mum was so bad. She just wanted to.
See that thing again, what you done on your iPod? Remember? That thing you was like, why do it? Do it. It's funny. Not that. Why that's nice? Stop funny. Right, let's do something. What do you want to say? Well, having a sleepover with my cousins. I love a sleepover.
Round my house. No. Don't